Oh my god.
100% feel the
Look
bees.
at them, they're just everywhere. They're swarming around the nest. I'll put this on my head,
Wait, yeah.
so I'll get a good shot of you.
Yep.
Just set that up somewhere so you can get on the tree. Native Australian honeycomb! Oh man. Can you see the bees? Look at them all around the nest. That's all. Down, mate. Down.
Alright, you guys, come on.
Remember that the native Australian bees, they don't have stingers. They're completely harmless.
Oh, come on, I can't wait. You just rip it off.
What? Where?
Holy crap. Dude, this is awesome.
Oh, dude. They're not bees.
What?
Just stay still. They're not black. They're orange.
What do you mean? Wait, they're tiny. Look, I can see it from here.
No, stop. I think they're wasps, dude.
Nah.
Whoa! My foot's stuck!
They don't have stingers. They're completely harmless.
Get up, dude. Holy sh**. Come here, I'll knock him off. I'll knock him off. Come over here, run. Over here, on the grass. On the grass, Caleb. Stop, they're on you. Stay still. They're on your head. You alright? Oh, shit.
I got bitten like 20 times.
Alright, let's have a look at your bites. So we got one there, got one there.
So, moral
We
of
got
the
a few
story,
on your chest.
they're wasps.
Stung on the foot.
Man, under here. Oh, that's a big scratch. Oh, on my back and on my neck here.
Oh, dude, I can't believe it. I got bitten once.